So what is acceleration? Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with time. So according to the definition, we can write the formula for acceleration. Acceleration is equal to change in a velocity upon time. As this acceleration depends upon velocity, and velocity is a vector quantity, that's why this acceleration is a vector quantity. Acceleration is a vector quantity. Now, acceleration is equal to change in the velocity, means here we consider final velocity and initial velocity. So, final velocity minus initial velocity. That is change in the velocity upon a time. So we get new formula for acceleration. Acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. Now if we consider this body initially it is at the velocity u, its initial velocity is u, and its final velocity is v after time t. Then formula will become, so u is the initial velocity and v is the final velocity, and for that purpose time taken by body is t. T is the time during the motion. Then this formula will become, acceleration is denoted by A, final velocity is denoted by V, and initial velocity is denoted by U. So V minus U upon T. This is in scalar form, but acceleration is vector quantity. So we write A bar is equal to, velocity is vector quantity, V bar minus U bar upon T. T is scalar quantity. So in vector form this acceleration can be written as like that, vector A equal to vector V minus vector U upon T. This is the acceleration. Now, by using this formula, when this acceleration is positive and when this acceleration is negative, and acceleration is 0. If velocity is increased, if velocity of body is increases, then acceleration is positive. Then acceleration is positive, means V is greater than U, then acceleration is positive. In that case, velocity and acceleration are in the same direction. Now, in second case, if velocity of body is decreases, acceleration is, velocity decreases, means in that case u is greater than v, then answer is negative. As answer is negative, therefore acceleration is negative. In that case acceleration is negative. If body is moving with uniform velocity, there is no change in its velocity, or velocity remains constant, then this acceleration will become 0. So in that case, acceleration is 0. So remember these 3 points regarding to acceleration. When velocity increases, then acceleration is positive. When velocity decreases, then acceleration is negative. It is also called as deceleration. And when body moves with uniform velocity, or there is no change in its velocity, then acceleration is 0. This is about the acceleration. Now there are two types of acceleration: uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration and another type is non-uniform acceleration. Non-uniform acceleration. Again, we know the meaning of uniform. Uniform means remains constant. So in that case, if velocity changes by equal amount in equal time interval, then such type of acceleration is called as uniform acceleration. As we know that the definition of acceleration, change in the velocity upon time. If this change in the velocity is in equal amount in equal time interval, then such type of acceleration is called as uniform acceleration. So we can say that what is uniform acceleration? If velocity of body changes by equal amount in equal time interval, such acceleration is called as uniform acceleration. Then what is non-uniform acceleration? Instead of this word equal amount, we use unequal. Then there is non-uniform acceleration. So what is non-uniform acceleration? If velocity of an object or if velocity of body changes by unequal amount of unequal amount in equal time interval, such acceleration is called as non-uniform acceleration. So this is about the acceleration. Uniform acceleration, non-uniform acceleration. Up to this, we study three physical quantities: velocity, displacement, and acceleration. Velocity depends upon displacement. Acceleration depends upon velocity. Therefore, definitions are as like that. The displacement means the shortest distance between starting point and end point. It is called as displacement. Velocity, the rate of change of displacement with respect to time, is called as velocity. And acceleration, the rate of change of velocity with respect to time, is called as acceleration. Now, depending upon these three physical quantities, displacement, velocity, and acceleration, there are three kinematical equations. We have to study about this.